Let's talk about equipment. In addition to the lavalier microphone that I talked about in the sound portion of this session, and the light boxes that I talked about in the light portion of this session, do also consider getting a tripod. A tripod is an absolute must for steady video footage. Remember, any shakes that you capture in your video are magnified for the viewer. So it's really worthwhile eliminating those shakes at that stage where you're recording the video. To economize, you can decide to invest in a tripod that is a standard tripod that can be used across devices. So if you have digital cameras, you can use a standard tripod with that digital camera, and you'll be able to use that tripod with your mobile. So you can use an accessory like this. It's called a converter sometimes, and this one's really good because you can use it with your mobile device and with a tablet device. It's pretty flexible. I've got a button over here at the back that allows me to move this and clip different size devices in. So I'm just going to go ahead and mount my smartphone. And really what you want to do is just make sure that the camera module isn't obscured. And then there's a little button over there. And then you press it and you push, and then your device is securely fitted in there. And of course, there's your camera module over here. Okay, so definitely worthwhile getting one of these accessories. It's often called a converter that you can add onto your tripod and get your stable footage like that.